Alcohol significantly influenced the wife's behavior throughout her pregnancy, casting doubt on her fidelity. She grapples with the unsettling possibility of having been unfaithful while under the influence. Moreover, the couple's troubled relationship history exacerbates trust issues, particularly given that their union began under questionable circumstances. Both partners are acutely aware of the doubts that persist, stemming from their past actions. Complicating this dynamic is the wife's previous marriage, marked by substantial financial deceit. This history of dishonesty invariably affects the husband's trust, adding layers of complexity to their present situation. The couple faced disbelief following multiple positive pregnancy tests, prompting Darren to conduct online research regarding potential causes for a false positive. This inquiry reflects his profound distress regarding the circumstances they were confronting. Felice, suspecting a serious illness, experienced panic upon discovering she was pregnant. This overwhelming fear prompted an emergency room visit, which ultimately confirmed her pregnancy. Felice perceived the unexpected pregnancy as a divine miracle, viewing it as a motivation to cease drinking and taking pills. This conviction introduces an additional layer of complexity to their evolving situation. Throughout their journey, the couple encountered significant doubts, requiring multiple ultrasounds for pregnancy confirmation. This experience vividly illustrates the emotional roller coaster they endured in light of the unexpected news, particularly at their advanced ages. An expert highlighted that men in their late 40s often maintain normal sperm counts. However, the quality may decline due to various lifestyle factors. This revelation raises pertinent questions regarding the husband's fertility following his vasectomy. Follow-up procedures post-vasectomy are critical, yet many men, including Mr. Baker, often overlook the essential year-long checkup, which can yield unexpected results. This oversight underscores the importance of diligent medical follow-up. The emotional ramifications for the parents are substantial, particularly concerning the father's trust and overall relationship. This emotional turmoil invariably influences their family dynamics and prospects for the future. The court's ruling reaffirmed the father's biological connection to the child, flooding the family with immense relief and joy. This outcome not only restores hope but also serves to strengthen their familial bond. Finally, sobriety emerges as a pivotal element in the mother's transformative journey, heralding a positive shift in her life due to the pregnancy. This path toward recovery instills an added sense of responsibility within their shared experience.